Hello everyone, today we learn some farm animals name and some wild animals. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's learn some farm animals name. The first animal is a peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock. The next animal is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next animal is tiger. This is a tiger. The next animal is cow. This is a cow. A dog. This is a dog. Let's learn some wild animals name. A leopard. This is a leopard. A lion. A lion is the king of forest. This is a lion. A horse. This is a horse. The next animal is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next animal is a panda. This is a panda. A camel. This is a camel. A rhinoceros.